Today we're making delicious Mutton Boti Tikka, a recipe you have to try. Add yogurt to a mixing bowl. Add all the dry spices. Add ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. Pour in fresh lemon juice. Add boneless mutton cubes. Mix everything well to prepare the marinade. Coat the mutton evenly in the marinade. Cover and marinate overnight for best flavor. Grill over hot charcoal until sizzling. Brush with oil or butter while grilling. Cook until perfectly tender and charred. Your juicy Mutton Boti Tikka is ready to enjoy. Serve hot with naan, paratha, raita, and onion rings.